Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Farid and we come back with another project to remove the old wrap. This is the CLA250 and customer tried to remove himself, which is very struggling if you don't have the good equipment. Yeah, as you see, this wrap is very old and the sun dries it, faded, and it been under the weather. And some parts, like here, the glue left on the paint and leave the mark, change the color to yellow. See this part is cracked by the sun. The top surface is like a boot lid, roof, and a bonnet. It's gonna be very hard to remove because all the time it was under the sun, especially the hood comes from underneath as well, and it cooked it. So see how it goes. There's still some wrap left around the headlight area. Even here, it's gonna be very hard to remove. See how it goes. If not coming out, I have to remove the bumper as well. For this section, I need to remove the liner as well to have a better access deep inside. And I don't know how deep is the film goes through. Around the antenna, it seems it just here. Hopefully come out from underneath of the antenna easily. Otherwise, I have to remove this one as well. We use the steam gun to soften the actual glue, and the wrap makes it easy to remove. Otherwise, it's gonna be the million pieces. As you see, the whole bonnet being removed, and this part is not damaged too much like a rest because black parts been protected by two yellow stripe, and that's why the sun didn't damage these parts on the black wrap. Still, we need to spray the glue remover and for a couple of times and remove it slowly, inch by inch. This is the first job of the Adrian's doing this. How are you feeling?
Good.
What's your favorite car?
I have no idea.
Oh, you
Probably a Koenigsegg, yes.
Oh, Koenigsegg, yeah, that's right. What color you like? You want full carbon fiber, body, marble? Okay. With the crazy body kit. No, you don't like it? You like stock look?
Looks like it has a body kit.
Oh, okay. So without the body kit, you like it. But I think it originally comes with the body kit. Yeah. That's fun if you have the helper, little helper like him. Here's my another helper to remove the wrap. Is it hot to go? Little bit. Okay. I think push more heat. Yeah, that's it. Today is the second day of removing. I start with roof. The roof has been removed. It's come up like this. And the second one, I have to start with quarter panel. finally finished the removing process. I'll take it out, give a good wash, and bring it back to check the damage. Alright, this is the final result after wash. So as you see, the wrap damaged the paint, and this happened because the sun melted glue and melt the color of the wrap deep to the paint. Some parts not bad, in some parts like this is very bad condition. So the brown part, they are part of the film being chipped, and the glue was there, and the sun is still push it through the paint.